Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm actually really excited. They're always super fun to watch and I'm kind of interested to see how I'm gonna do. But today I am doing the no mirror makeup challenge. I'm super excited, so let's just get right into it. Like always, I'm gonna try to do my very best. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am for this. Like, I think this video is so fun. It's just weird because I have nothing to look at. Like, normally I have like a little mirror set up back here that's facing my phone, so I can kind of just make sure that I'm like where I need to be. I started off with my Pond's moisturizer. I just slapped it on. I don't know why, but like without a mirror, I can't think of like what step I need to do next. I'm totally gonna forget like what I've done. So I'm gonna be taking the Revlon Cover Stay Full Cover Foundation. This is in Sand Beige. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm not too crazy of a fan of this foundation. It's very drying. So if you have dry skin, make sure that you put on a thick moisturizer before, because it does cling to dry patches on your face. Like right here, I'm pretty dry down here, so it's gonna kind of look a little weird down here. Over here, I'm a little dry. I can't see where, but yeah. Doofy ass laugh. I have oh god, that is so much. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. I feel like I'm gonna be sitting here forever and just blending everything out like crazy because I can't see when I'm gonna be done. I can't see what I've done. Next, going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Is it even coming out? Man, my face feels moist. All right, my Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot. And my Morphe M438. I think this has a mirror on it. I'm not entirely sure, but I don't want to risk it. I think I put so much foundation and concealer on right now. Morphe R2 and my Butter Bronzer, and oh shoot. The eyes is what's worrying me. Like, the face is easy. Usually, I don't want to say this because like watch there just be like a chaotic mess right now. But normally I do my makeup like kind of just like looking away at like TV or watching a video or something. Like most of the time I'll do my face makeup like that. So this isn't too abnormal for me, but the eyes, oh. Okay, now to contour, I'm taking the Morphe R10 and this deep contour shade and just focusing that right there. Using my Morphe M530 and this Milani blush in Coral Cove. I'm just gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go in with Creamsickle. Take that in the top right here, my crease. This is a dumb idea. The nerves are starting to kick in. I'm getting nervous. Morphe M433, and I'm gonna go into go into Hunts. Then I'm gonna go in with this super deep, what is this? Jacs, right underneath Hunts. This is so hard. I'm just gonna sit here and literally blend forever. So I'm gonna take this aqua blue shade. What is this? Aquamarine? Jada. Straight on to the eyelid. I'm sure I'm just getting blue everywhere. I can't tell how pigmented this is. Like, I don't know if I need to keep piling it on like this. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna like, okay. And then I do want to put this shimmery shade. This is Pool Party right in the middle. There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna take the NYX, what is this? Matte liquid liner. Holy, oh my god. Oh, there's so much blue on my finger. Okay, I already know there's fallout, so I'm just taking this and gonna kind of wipe. I don't know what to do. There's blue all over this now. Oh my god, is it that bad? It's okay. It's okay. We'll just, you know? That was probably the stupidest thing I think I've ever done. Let me do a no mirror makeup challenge and use an aqua blue. God, I'm a doof. All my brushes are blue and I just washed them, but I don't know what to do anymore. Never do this. I'm just gonna put this down here and blend it out. Freaking get that on there. Oh my god. Please. Oh, I don't want to do my eyeliner. I don't. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, that's way off. Oh my god. We've come too far. Oh. Oh my god. I know this is horrible. I don't want to do this anymore. Going in with Hunts under the waterline. So I'm taking this pretty low. I'm really trying to make this work. Okay, taking my Morphe M213. I'm still trying to seriously do this. Like guys, if you want this look, these are the brushes you gotta use. Maybe these will save it. I don't feel like those are on bad at all. We're gonna be using the dip brow because this is already a disaster. Why not? Literally just why not? So the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in dark brown and the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush in the number 12. I can't. Okay. I think that's my tail right there. And then up here, connect. Blend them out. Gotta go here. Oh, that's low. That is low. You know how hard it is for me to get my eyebrows to look even with a mirror? My eyebrows are uneven. One of them is naturally higher than the other one. I wonder if I can see. I can't, by the way. What do I have on blue? Let's do a pink. Let's do something that matches this. This is the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick in Venezia. It smells like vanilla. It smells so good. Because even though you're an absolute train wreck, at least your lips smell like vanilla. Riley, no. Oh my god. I want to cry. I tried so hard. Wow. Okay, but the face is not bad. The face, I wasn't worried about the face. This eyebrow isn't too bad. Like, I mean, she's not great. She has like the flu or something, but she's not bad. This one just has tuberculosis. And then my eyeshadow is not what I had envisioned. I look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show. I hate to put an age on myself, but that's what I remind myself of. You know, on the eyeliner, like, I've seen better, but I've definitely seen worse at the local Walmart. You know what, my eyelashes are actually on pretty well. This one's a little funky, but that was super stressful. If you guys enjoyed this video, this definitely was not like a tutorial or like an educational video. This was just for fun. I kind of wanted to take a break from the tutorials for a little bit because I was getting a little, not bored, but I just wanted to switch things up a little bit. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and I will make more like this. I have a couple other challenges that I've been wanting to do. So just let me know if you guys like this, please. I really appreciate your feedback. Comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for all of your support and I will see you next time. Bye.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.
Oh, she's sassy. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.